Hey there, Christmas has come early. Look at this delivery today from Scholastic. I don't actually know what's in these boxes, so let's have a look and see. What's in here? Ooh, Christmas really has come early. It is Macca the Alpaca Christmas sticker book. Well, you get to decorate a Christmas tree, hang up some stockings, make some gingerbread cookies. Oh, check out all these stickers. Cool, that's exciting. And what's cool about this one, it comes with 5 special stick-on gift tags, and on the back I think if you cut these out you can make your own Macca the Alpaca Christmas cards. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to see that. I love the sticker books, they're so much fun to make. Let's see what's in this one. It's pretty light, so I think I know what it is. Yeah, it is. Finally, here she is. Dharma the Llama plush toy with book. How cool. This one has been in the planning for ages, so it's so cool to see it in real life. Sweet. Very, very cute. Alright, last box. Let's see what's in this one. Let's have a look. Here it is. It's the Macca the Alpaca Super Collection. And 5 books in one. Macca the Alpaca, Alpacas with Maracas, a stack of alpacas, Macca's Makeover, and Macca and our Super Pals in one super collection. That's cool. And oh, these are my author illustrator copies of Worst Week Ever. Fantastic. Sweet. So got Worst Week Ever, Macca the Alpaca Super Collection, Dharma the Llama plush toy and book, and Macca the Alpaca Christmas sticker book. Alright, there's my Christmas shopping done, so if you're related to me, you're probably getting something from here. Okay? Alright. I'm gonna have a look through all of this stuff again properly now. Cool. Alright, see you guys later.